Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In an upcoming Sumi-e landscape workshop, I'll be focusing on the use of bridge, how to draw them, and then how to use bridge in the design of a landscape. In a Sumi-e landscape, we talk about various things such as moving focal point and multiple points perspective, and the bridge would actually have a function in part of this design, and it can be used in the foreground, in the midground, or even in the background. So we'll talk about that and also particularly focus on the use of it in the design. And of course, before we end the workshop, we'll together paint a demo of a full landscape with the addition of a bridge and explain how the bridge would enhance the whole overall design for the landscape. So I hope to see you in this Sumi landscape workshop focusing on bridge and how to use a bridge or bridges to enhance the design of a Sumi landscape. Hope to see you. Bye bye.